Wanna make a mess with me? Let's go and mix these two things. Welcome back to Joe's Fun Lab. Thank you for watching all my other YouTube videos. And we're going to be making paper bag volcanoes today. What a volcano does when it erupts is it releases carbon dioxide gas. And today we're going to mix together baking soda and vinegar to make our paper bags erupt. And these are my brother and sister Lulu. And all three of us have the same superpower. What's your color of volcano going to be?
Blue.
What's yours going to be, Lulu?
Pink.
Okay. And now let's decorate our volcanoes. Okay.
And when we're done, these are all the rocks I'm gonna make. I'm just cutting.
Hey everybody, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to all my videos and also ring the notification bell so you get notified when we drop brand new videos. So when you're done decorating your bag, you should tear down the middle of one of the long sides. And it should look like this. So then you put the paper bag on top of the water bottle, and then it should look like the volcano. But we're going to go outside for this part because it will make a mess. So what you want to do is fill up your bottle and fill it up halfway with vinegar. Then grab your paper bottle, paper bag, and set it up. Take off the lid. And I don't know what this is going to do, guys. Now, what we're going to do is just add the baking soda.
Start over.
I'm helping my brother cut up his volcano, and his color of vinegar was blue. Real volcanoes erupt with much greater force. When Krakatoa erupted in 1883, the resulting tsunamis killed 40,000 people, changing the geography of the East Indies forever. Our superpower is Autism. What's yours?